Hello everyone. Let's learn the phonic sound of the letter E. E says eh. E says eh. And you show this action when you do it. E says eh. E says eh. Okay, so let's begin the story for the same. It is almost the end of summer and Eric and his family have gone to stay on 10-acre farm for 7 days holiday. Every day they get up early to watch the cows being milked. First, they help get the buckets of water from the well and pour them into the troughs for the cows. Then they feed the hens and collect the eggs. They take the eggs into the kitchen for breakfast. Ellie, the farmer's wife, cracks open the shells on the sides of the pan. Eh, eh, eh. They all eat fried eggs for breakfast. And what do they sing when they do it? Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Crack the egg like this, eh. So what sound does the letter E make? E says eh. E says eh. This is the letter E and the sound that it makes is eh.